In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a photo gallery to your GoDaddy website builder step by step. Whether you're building a portfolio, showcasing products, displaying event photos, or simply making your website more visually engaging, adding a gallery is one of the best ways to upgrade your site's design. The best part is that GoDaddy makes this process incredibly simple, and you don't need any coding experience at all. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the final publish step. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, log in to your GoDaddy account. Open your browser, go to godaddy.com, and click Sign In at the top right. Enter your username and password to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, go to My Products. Here, you'll see a list of all the products connected to your account. Find your website under the Websites section, then click on it. After that, click the Edit Website button. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder editor where you can make changes to your site. Next, navigate to the page where you want to add the photo gallery. You can either use an existing page or create a brand new one. If you want to create a new page, look for the Pages option and add a new page from there. Once you're on the correct page inside the editor, you're ready to insert the gallery section. Now click on Add Section. Depending on your layout, you'll either see a plus button between sections or an Add Section button in the main editing area. Click that button to open the section library. You'll now see different content categories, like About, Contact, Services, and more. From these options, select Gallery. GoDaddy provides multiple gallery layout styles, so choose the one that best fits your website design. Once you select a layout, the gallery section will automatically be added to your page. Now it's time to add your photos. Inside the New Gallery section, click on Manage Gallery or Manage Images. Then click Add Images. You'll have a few options here. You can upload images directly from your computer, or you can choose from GoDaddy's free stock photo library if you don't have your own images ready. Select the pictures you want to use, then click Insert or Add. Your selected images will now appear inside the gallery. After adding your photos, you can customize how the gallery looks. Click into the Settings section to adjust the design. Here you can modify the number of columns, which controls how many images appear in each row. You can adjust spacing to create more or less space between photos. You can also change the image shape, such as square or rounded corners, depending on your style preference. Explore the gallery layout options to switch between grid, collage, or other display styles. You can even enable hover effects to make your gallery more interactive when visitors move their mouse over the images. Take a few moments to preview the design and make adjustments until you're happy with how everything looks. Once you're satisfied with your gallery setup, click Done to confirm the changes. At this point, the gallery has been successfully added to your website, but there's one final and very important step. You need to publish your site so the changes become visible online. To do that, click the Publish button, usually located at the top right of the editor. After publishing, your new photo gallery will be live and visible to visitors. And that's it! You've successfully added a photo gallery to your GoDaddy Website Builder website. As you can see, the process is straightforward and doesn't require any technical skills. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.